A Muslim mother comes with a responsibility and a complete guideline given to us by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's teaching and through the Quran. So if you do not have the understandings, basically what you're following will be a mix of Islam and culture. Mostly culture, right? So we talk about culture more than Islam. We talk about rituals, we talk about traditions, but we do not talk about the whole essence of our deen, which is the 100% complete submission to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and no submission to your own desire. And we don't care what others say. And if people talk about Islam in everything, they talk about Islamic perspective on everything, you're like, oh my God, that's too Islamic. Don't bring Islam in everything. Guys, come on, you're so boring, you talk about Islam at all times. This is the sad reality of our affairs today. Our deen that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has selected for us as the recipe for success in this dunya. And guys, this dunya is the only time to do action. This dunya is the only time for working and practicing the deen. In Jannah, when you're done, you just chill there. So dunya is the only time where you can perfect your deen. Dunya is the only limited temporary time where you actually can practice. So do not follow your desires. Submit to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with complete conviction. Submit to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through all your actions. Submit to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with all your 100% honesty. Think about it. Keep writing to me. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.